Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Spiral Rain box, which I'm super excited about. This is a Canadian Witchy subscription. The last one was amazing. So much information, so I'm really excited about this. They sent me this box. It was gifted to me. The opinions are my own. But the postage, they sent me this box on like the last day of August, and because of the fires and because of everything going on, I literally just got it like yesterday. So let me open this. There we go. A little spark to align with the universe. And then again in French. So it says thank you, merci. We have a beautiful art. So just like information, get in touch, don't leave your friends behind, monthly giveaway, etc., etc. And then in the inside, what's in this box? I'm not going to look at that yet. We'll come back to that. I always like to look at that last. One of the things that I absolutely... Oh, here, let's look at this. Referral program, don't leave your friends behind. Invite friends and both get $7 off your box. That sounds amazing. I'll leave this link in the description. Spiral Rain. So this is about their candles. And one of the things that I absolutely love about their box is just the plethora of information. So this is September, the full moon, the Celtic tree month, the month of September, the new moon, moon magic, September magic, perfection, completion, clairvoyance, magical forces, awareness, spiritual path, revelation. By all these lovely tokens, September days are here, with summer's best of weather and autumn's best of cheer. Amen. Except for September has been a little bit challenging this year. Beautiful art on the back. And then we have some information on Libra. We just entered Libra on Tuesday, so it says September 23rd, but I thought we entered it on Tuesday, the 22nd. But whatever, close enough. And then just correspondences for Libra, which is really, really fun and thorough. We have on the back here, Libra and Magic, Music Witch, the Goddess, affirmations, what does being born in September say about you, power colors, palette, color palette, and then of course we have Mabon, which is the fall equinox, mythology, which is so cool, and then just tons of information. So the meaning, the focus, elements, essence, the altar, color, symbols. It's a time of balance, which we talked about in my live a lot. Other symbols, incense and oils, herbs and plants, animals, drinks. Just so much information. This is a really nice one, I think, for witches of all experience levels. But I often get asked, like, for Witchy 101, I think of all the boxes that I get, this one has like a lot of information that's super useful. So like, which is not to say that the other boxes that I get don't have information, but not anywhere near this amount. So like a little craft, so food, stones, colors, goddesses, candies, gods, tool symbols, decorations, rituals. Ideas for rituals, customs and activities, and then it has a ritual lined out for you that you could practice or learn from, that goes on for a few pages, and then just a ritual for balance, which is another option that you could have, a candle spell for prosperity, another option, a meditation that you might do. There's so much information here. It's amazing. Some Norse mythology information, some with good information about gods and goddesses, the 9 worlds of the Norse mythology. So this is just like educational stuff about Norse mythology. Oh, and it goes on quite a bit. We have our goddesses. We have Freya, Frigg, We have Odin and Thor. And here's some information. Hello, my lovely witches. I know this month has a lot of stuff and information, but I figured if you're going to do something, you might as well do it right. Awesome. Just a letter saying enjoy it. Tons of... Oh, she's going through the items. I'll come back to this because I don't want to be... I want to be surprised. I do want to be surprised. So we got our little black dealy bobs. Ooh, we got a pretty red bag. It's like a velvety bag. It feels very nice. I love the little tassels. It's got a nice texture and it's a different shape, smaller and squatter than I'm accustomed to. So what do we got in here? Oh my girl, I think they're runes. Let me see. They're beautiful little wooden runes. Ooh, this one jumped at me. Oh my gosh, guys. This is the symbol that was on my pendant, my Velmite and Shungite pendant from Witch's Bounty that broke. So these ones are the ones that came out. Now look at that. We've got, of course, all of them. Runes Oracle game, but, you know, a lot of people don't consider it a game. And it has a little information packet here. And just different layouts. So let me see. This is the one that jumped at me specifically. I think it's this one. Birthrights, possessions, group prosperity. Creates a sense of belonging, embodiment, and family. I believe that is the correct one. Oh, wait, maybe not. No, it is. It is. So that's really nice. And then, of course, the one that was on my Velmite pendant, Turning Point, Confrontation, Profound Changes, Death, lends strength and provides a sense of purpose, which definitely is appropriate. And then this guy, adversity, rigor, harm, introspection, conflicts, protection or self-discipline, and is needed to avoid chaos. So there's certainly been a lot of chaos going on. So it's got a brief information about each of these and some layouts. So, and then the back is French. So that's very nice. I like that a lot. Very beautiful, very nice. Love this. Very nice. Okay, and so we have here a Frigg Magical Forest hand-poured sword candle. It's glass and heavy, and I love it. Ooh. Looks like it's got carnelian chips, and it smells very nice. Thor incense. Cool. Looks like some dragon blood there, but I don't know. Let me smell it. It's got a little protector thing. That smells like a nug of pine resin. Love it. Not to be a pervert, but it smells like I imagine Thor smells like, which is to say delicious and manly. I love men with beards. For those of you who have seen my husband, you know what I'm talking about. So here's a beautiful little pendant, a little tassel, little tiny tassel. So cute. Little keychain type thing. We have Freya, Wisdom and Magic tea. That's his mama, isn't it? No. Freya's the one with the cat chariot. A tempest in a teapot, an elixir of love to fuel dangerous passions. A delicious and fragrant chai creation, rich, warm, seductive, mysterious, and inviting. Cinnamon, lavender, rose petals, and jasmine fragrances blend like a tempest in a teapot. An elixir of love to fuel dangerous passions. So black tea, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, black pepper, rose petals, lavender, and chrysanthemum. Very cool. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, let's see what this beauty thing is. Oh, it's a triquetra. And like a little cuff here with some runes on them, with a rune on them. I've got to look that one up. Odin, bracelet and necklace. Okay, this is a bracelet. This is a necklace. Very cool. Let me see what that one is. You'd think I know runes a little better, but I've just never... Renewal, dreams, flow of emotions, unconscious mind. Time to trust your intuition and honor your receptive side. It is that time of the year. Alright, let's now look at these two things. So, Spiral Rain's Frigg candle. Frigg was the queen of the Aesir, wife of Odin, and goddess of the sky. She is also known as the goddess of fertility, household, motherhood, love, marriage, and domestic arts. Very cool. Poplar wood rune set. Each rune is made of Indian lilac wood and has been carved and painted with a sacred symbol. Rune symbols have each carved into wood and used for divination for centuries. Each rune has its own meaning and influence. 25 runes. Explanation scroll and a velvet pouch. Spiral Rain's Odin jewelry set. A triquetra necklace and a vegan leather rune bracelet. The triquetra, or the Trinity knot, is comprised one continuous line interweaving around itself, meaning no beginning or end, an eternal spiritual life. Please look inside your rune set pamphlet for the meaning of your rune. Spiral Rain's Freya tea. You can enjoy this tea with your lover, share a cup with the Vanek Beauty, or simply offer it up to Freya herself. Spiral Rain's Thor incense. Boost concentration and focus, will direct you in a proper direction in your relationship with people, in making new acquaintances and achieving your work and activity goals. And then the Grimoire pages, which are great. Every witch needs to know the basic. This set of Grimoire pages contains a variety of correspondences that can be added to your Grimoire Book of Shadows or planner. Pages filled with simple, rich information content. Oh, it's a diffuser. Witchy diffuser keychain. Capture the emotionally and physically balancing plant power of your favorite essential oil with adorable charm and tassel diffuser keychain. Simply apply 1 to 2 drops of essential oil directly into the ultra-absorbent tassel and enjoy the endless benefits of essential oils. The month's quote. Wisdom is welcome wherever it comes from. Okay. Let's go back to this. Feeling a bit blue, light your Frigg candle and sip a nice cup of Freya tea. It'll add instant magic and love to your day. The carnelian in the candle will also help give a boost of energy, and it's a smell that reminds you of a beautiful walk in the fall woods with the touch of lily of the valley, cedarwood, pine needle, and sandalwood. Bring your incense as an offering to Thor or to ask his assistance. Thor may be petitioned for his blessing, for protection, or for strength and courage when facing adversity. So they're talking about a referral program. Each box sold sends $1 to charity. There's a giveaway for a free box every month. Next month is all about witches and Samhain. I found these vegan leather broom-like charms, and I just had to make them into keychains for next month's box preview. I hope you enjoy them with your favorite oil blend. Wishing you all blessed Mavon and a beautiful month of September. Thank you for being part of Spiral Rain's family. Love and magic. Love, light, and magic, Rainy. I hope I'm saying that right. It might be Ronnie. This is a great box. I highly recommend this box to you. This is a good box. This is a good box for learning and information. It has tons and tons of pages of information, front to back. Both seasonal, as in like what's going on right now, September astrologically, and also as it pertains to the topic of the box of the month, which is pretty cool. I like this. I like bags a lot, and red is my favorite color. I like it all. I like this. I like this. I like the smells, especially. It smells like foresty to me, which is one of my favorite smells. And I'm super pleased. So I'm going to leave information in the description box below. I'm going to thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.